Hello students, welcome back, and guess what I am going to tell you today? Guess? Yes, again I am back with an interesting story to tell you all, and you are more familiar with the main character of this story, and in this season you see it every day. So let's start. This is the story of a raindrop's journey, and this story will be told by the raindrop itself. So let us hear the story from the raindrop. Okay, are you all ready, children? Yes, you're all ready. So this is the raindrop. Hello, friends. How are you all? Myself, Florence. This is the story of my journey from the land to the sky and back again. So let's all hear the story. It starts with me living in a river, lake or the sea as just another drop of water. And you all have seen me in this rainy season? Yes? When my friend Sparky, the sun. Everyone tell hello to my friend. Yes, this is Sparky, the sun. Then he shines his powerful rays down from the sky. I heat up and turn into, guess what? Yes, into water vapor. See, this is called evaporation. Some of the other water drops do too, and this is called evaporation. We begin to rise and rise like the steam from the teapot. Have you seen the teapot and the steam coming out from it and it is rising up? Yes. As we rise up into the air, we cool down and turn into tiny water drops who stick together to make clouds. See how we all are sticking together, and you know this is called condensation. What it is called? Condensation. When more and more of us are made, the clouds get heavier and heavier until the air can't hold us anymore. Then it's time for me and my friends to come back down to the ground in the form of raindrops. This is called, yes, this is called precipitation. What it is called? Precipitation. Okay, children. We tumble and dance out of the sky, landing everywhere from puddles and cracks to hills, mountains and your backyard. See how you all feel us, the little raindrops. Don't you feel excited when we drop down on your umbrellas and raincoats? Yes, and sometimes you can see the rainbow also. Have you seen? Yes. Some of us will end up in reservoirs that store your drinking water. And some of us will seep into the ground where we can live for hundreds and thousands of years, and this is called underground water. But most of us will trickle and flow back into rivers, lakes and oceans to start our fun journey all over again. Isn't it the journey very interesting? I enjoyed this interesting journey very much. And this, do you know, this is called the water cycle. So, this is all about my story. I think you all have enjoyed the story. So next time when again it rains, just put out your hand from your window and take few raindrops and remember and recall this story, how I reached to your farm. Okay, thank you.